Learn how to record web audio with this Audacity tutorial. Get step-by-step instructions on how to set up Audacity. Enter text, use the right settings and record web audio. Learn how to create professional quality text-to-speech audio using Audacity in minutes. Make sure to listen to your masterpiece at the end. Get ready to be the master of text-to-speech audio with this free and simple Audacity tutorial that shows you how to record web audio. Step 1. Visit the audacityteam.org website and download the Audacity installer. Step 2. Install Audacity. Step 3. Click the Audio Setup button and select Audio Settings. Step 4. Set the host to Windows Wasapi, the recording device to loopback input for the speakers, and the channels to stereo. Save your settings. Step 5. Open the Google Translate website and paste your text. Step 6. Go back to Audacity and press the record button. Step 7. Go back to Google Translate and play the audio. Step 8. Click the stop button to stop recording. Step 9. Open the file menu, choose Export, and select your desired audio format, in this case, MP3. Save your audio. Complete. Thanks for watching.